Model, 2011 Vito 110 CDI body, white, panel van mileage, 137,538 engine, 2,143 cc 651.95 HP transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. Key is missing and will need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.